this part, we're going to install the internal corner. For this part of the demonstration, just imagine the sarking already there.
Firstly, measure the height of your wall and cut to length. For the purpose of this video, we have a pre-cut length ready to go. Position the internal corner and screw into place. For the purpose of this project, we are installing a J-trim on the end and bottom of the walls. You can also use an external corner if preferred for the end of the walls. We are also going to install our vertical boards. For the vertical board, measure top to bottom, remove 5mm from either end to allow for expansion and contraction, and then slide the vertical into the internal corner and J-trim. Check the board for plumb before screwing off. When you come to the end of the run of boards, you will need to measure the rip once again. Measure tight from your corner to the hook-on groove and remove 5mm from top and bottom. Then mark the board and cut to size. Once the board is cut, hook the board onto the groove and slide into position.